Remove 6 screws and remove the Z-axis. Remove 1 screw and take down the Z-axis upper cover. Remove 3 screws, then loosen 2 grub screws. Remove the Z motor. Loosen 2 other grub screws. Remove the coupler and washer. Press the Y tension spring to release it. Remove 3 screws, and remove the Y motor. Remove 3 screws, open the Y-axis belt block. Peel the Y-axis belt off the block, and remove the Y-axis belt. Remove the 1 tension screw and anti-rotation plate. Remove 1 spindle screw and the nut and remove the Y tensioner. Install the spindle screw. Install the Y tensioner and place the nut. And tighten the spindle screw and the nut. Install the anti-rotation plate and pre-lock 1 screw. Check the direction of the Y belt and pass the belt through the idler pulley. Apply a small amount of quick dry glue to the tooth surface of the block and paste the belt at both ends onto the block. Install another belt block, align the 3 screw holes, and lock in 3 screws. Pass the Y motor through the motor mounting seat. Check the orientation of the cable. Hang the driving wheel on the Y-axis belt. Lock in 3 screws. Pull the Y belt to confirm smooth action. Tighten the spring. And lock the tensioner screw. Rotate the thread rod to expose the flat surface. Install the washer. Align the grub screw's position on the coupler with the flat surface of the thread rod. Install the thread rod in place and tighten the 2 grub screws. Confirm the orientation of the motor cable. Rotate the motor shaft. Align the flat position on the shaft with the grub screw's position on the coupler. Install the Z motor. Tighten the 2 grub screws position. And lock in 3 screws. Install the Z-axis upper cover. Lock in 1 screw. Connect the Z-axis to the Y-axis square steel. Make sure the screw holes are aligned and lock in 6 screws.